What to expect at your first child custody hearing. Walking into your first custody hearing feels overwhelming. First, understand that there are usually two types of initial hearings in Nevada Family Court, and they're very different. A case management conference and a motion hearing. We'll discuss both. Case management conference. This is administrative. Think of it as organizing the roadmap for your case. The judge may ask for some additional background on the case to better understand the issues in your case. The judge will inquire about which issues are already settled, which are likely to resolve, and which issues will be tougher to resolve. The judge will address any immediate temporary orders. The judge will probably set timelines for discovery and disclosures. The judge may schedule mediation, usually through the Family Mediation Center down at Family Court. The judge may inquire about a settlement conference. They will assess whether scheduling a settlement conference would be beneficial for your case, or maybe not at this time, but maybe later. A settlement conference can be a productive step towards resolving your case, but only after discovery and disclosures are completed. Establish trial dates if necessary. The case management conference is relatively informal. Your attorney will do most of the talking. This hearing familiarizes the judge with your case, informs what issues may be contested versus uncontested, then sets litigation deadlines and future hearings. A motion hearing is much different. Someone filed a formal motion with supporting documents, maybe for temporary custody, support, or exclusive possession of the home. There's been an opposition filed, possibly a reply, with exhibits attached. The judge will actually decide something at that hearing. Be prepared. Be sure that you or your attorney files any exhibits you want the judge to consider at the hearing. The judge usually issues orders that stay in effect until the time of trial, which could be several months down the road. For both types of hearings, arrive 20 to 30 minutes early. Security takes time. Finding parking takes time. Getting to the right courtroom takes time. Dress like you're going to a job interview. You don't need a suit, but business casual at minimum. Don't bring your children to court. Critical behavior rules. Don't argue with your ex in the hallway. Body language. It also matters. Sit up straight and keep a poker face the entire time. When the judge speaks, listen. Respond directly to the judge's questions or concerns. Don't interrupt. Don't react visibly to what your ex or their attorney says. Don't shake your head or roll your eyes. The judge watches everything. If you have an attorney, let them lead. That's what you're paying them for. If you're self-represented, speak clearly and stick to facts, not emotions. Keep your arguments focused on the best interest of the child, not about the other parent. The hidden importance. Here's what many people don't realize. First impressions in family court are lasting impressions. The judge may form opinions about who's reasonable, who's difficult, who puts the children first, and those impressions influence everything that follows. Show up organized, be respectful, and stay focused on your children's best interest rather than your grievances with your ex. Be the parent the judge can count on to follow orders and act rationally. If it's a motion hearing and temporary orders get issued, follow those orders and take them seriously. Violating temporary orders can hurt your credibility for the entire case. Your first hearing won't resolve everything. It's the beginning of a process, not the end. You're establishing the framework for months of proceedings ahead. Come prepared, stay professional, and remember, make that first impression with the judge count.